Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products. And if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Remove the back nut and rubber washer on both ends. Keep the flange in position. Ensure the spout grub screw is facing the rear. Place washers and screw on the back nuts. Make sure the breech is tight. Attach the handles to the cartridge splines and adjust them to your preferred position. Fasten the handles with the flat washer, spring washer and screws provided. Attach the appropriate coloured button according to the requirement. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Remove the protective cover from the base. Position the riser and tighten the grub screw. Ensure the riser aligns with the grub screw at the back. Remove the spray gun bracket. Then, measure, mark, and cut the support bar to the desired length for its location, ensuring there is 2 to 5 millimeters of clearance between the bracket, wall, and the riser. Place the cover flange on the wall bracket. Fit the O-ring, olive, and lock nut to the fixing point. Place the fixing plate on the support bar and mark the 3 holes. Ensure the riser is plumb. Drill the 3 holes as marked. Screw the fixing plate to the wall. Tighten the nut and olive, ensuring a firm and solid installation. Slide the chrome cover plate. Replace the spray gun bracket and ensure the holes align. Tighten the grub screw. Place the fibre washer on top of the riser. Screw on the pre-rinse hose while holding the spring, then tighten. Apply adequate amount of thread tape to the trigger spray. Screw the spray gun to the hose and tighten. Attach and tighten hoses to water supply. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Attach manufacturer's recommendation sticker to the wall. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 9319 4422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.